Test natin itong PR from Maybelline. In this video, try natin na walang primer or foundation, just a skincare or skin prep lang. 3 points that we need to consider in this product review: pigment, buildability, and longevity. Another thing is I have 3 methods of how I apply this. Ang ginagawa ko guys, nag-apply ako dito usually. This is the first method. Kukuha ako ng product sa palm ko, saka ko siya itatap-tap sa aking cheek, then I'm gonna blend this lang ng maigi. And uulit-ulitin ko lang siya hanggang sa ma-achieve ko yung pigment na gusto ko. Second method na ginagawa ko is I apply it directly sa aking cheeks using my finger, and then saka ko ipi-blend ng maigi. Nakita niyo yun kung gaano kaganda yung pigment niya and kung gaano ito kaganda yung build up. Not patchy, not dry, and not so overwhelming. Third method na ginagawa ko is dab-dab, then brush it. In the 3 method, I prefer using brush kasi well blended siya and mas seamless yung atake niya sa ating skin. Ang maganda dito, when we talk about the buildability, ang dali lang niyang i-adjust according sa pigment or tingkad ng blush on na gusto mo. Let's recap the 3 points that we need to consider when buying liquid blush, especially Maybelline Sun Kisser Blush. When in terms of pigment, nakikita nyo na, not patchy, not dry, and not so overwhelming. Pag nilapat nyo yan sa cheeks nyo, para lang kayong may natural blush. Para lang kasi itong color ng ating natural blush. In terms of buildability, easy to adjust and well blended sa ating skin. When we talk about the longevity, it is always depends on what skin type do you have and the weather condition. I have dry to combination skin type, and now is summer, so it would last 7 to 9 hours.